So now we are going to solve this question. The question is nothing but we need to find the set of values of x for which this inequality, okay, mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus 1 is less than 4. Okay, so here are two mods are given. Okay, so how we are going to proceed this thing? Okay, so we'll have to break the mod. So for breaking the mod, we'll have to form the cases. Okay, first of all we are going to find the critical points. Okay, so critical point is nothing but this, where this x minus 1 will be equal to 0 and where this x plus 1 will be equal to 0. Okay, so this thing will be 0 at x equal to 1. Okay, and this thing will be 0 at x equal to minus 1. Okay, so this thing is 0 at x equal to minus 1. So these things will x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1 is both are the critical points. Okay, so these critical points will divide. Three cases will be formed. That is nothing but first case will be nothing but when x is from, three cases will be there when x is from minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, and second case will be there when it is from minus 1 to 1. Okay, and third case will be there when x is from 1 to plus infinity. Okay, so three cases will be there. So that is nothing but minus infinity to minus 1, close interval minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, and third interval will be nothing but 1 to infinity. Okay, so how we are going to see this? Okay, the first case is nothing but case first is there. Okay, so when x is from x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, then we are going to solve it when x is from minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, that means what? That is nothing but x is less than minus 1. X is less than minus 1, that means what? Mod of x minus 1 is nothing but it will be negative. X is less than minus 1, that means what? It will be negative. That means it will be open with a negative sign. That is nothing but this. And x plus 1, mod of x plus 1, it will be, if it is less than minus 1, so this will also be negative. It will open with a negative sign. Okay, so the question we can proceed as, that is nothing but mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus 1, okay, less than 4. So this thing will be negative. Okay, this thing will be negative. That is nothing but minus of x plus 1, and this thing will also be negative. That is nothing but minus of x plus 1 less than 4. That is nothing but minus x plus 1 minus x minus 1 less than 4. Minus x is nothing but minus 2x plus 1 minus 1, that is nothing but cancel out, less than 4. That is nothing but minus 2x minus 4 less than 0. Okay, minus 2x we can take common. That is nothing but x plus 2 less than 0. We can divide by minus 2. We can divide by minus 2 in the next step. That is nothing but minus x plus 2 divided by minus 2. It will be greater than, sign will change. It will divide by a negative number. Okay, cancel out. That is nothing but x plus 2 is greater than 0. Okay, or we can write it as x greater than minus 2. Okay, x greater than minus 2 when we need to take when x is from, okay, what we have taken here case when x is from minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, x is from minus infinity to minus 1. That means we need to take the intersection of this thing. Okay, intersection of this thing is nothing but we have to form, this is plus infinity, this is minus infinity. That is nothing but minus 2 minus 1 minus infinity to minus 1. That is nothing but this thing. X is greater than minus 2. That is nothing but this thing. Okay, so the common thing is nothing but this. So the x will be open interval minus 2 to minus 1. This will be the answer in the first case. Okay, case 2. What is case 2? Case 2 is nothing but when x belongs to close interval minus 1 to 1. X is between minus 1 to 1. Then mod of x minus 1. Okay, mod of x minus 1 will be nothing but it will be positive. X is from minus 1 to 1. X is from minus 1 to 1. It will be negative. It will be negative. And mod of x plus 1. Okay, mod of x plus 1, it will be nothing but it will be positive. Okay, so this thing will be nothing but mod of x minus plus 1. Okay, before that mod of x minus 1. Okay, less than 4. So this thing will be negative. That is nothing but minus of x minus 1, and this thing will be positive. That is nothing but x plus 1 is less than 4. That is nothing but minus x plus 1 plus x plus 1 less than 4 plus x 2 is less than 4. That is true. That means the only answer will be nothing but, that is nothing but x is from minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, that is nothing but x belongs to closed interval minus 1 to 1. That is the answer in the second case. You can say that this is second. And third case we are going to see. What is the third case? Third case is nothing but 1 to infinity. Third case is 1 to infinity. So case third is nothing but an x is from, case third is nothing but an x is belongs to 1 to infinity. Okay, x is from 1 to infinity. Then mod of x minus 1 will be nothing but it will be positive. and mod of x plus 1, mod of x plus 1 will also be positive. Okay, so in this case our this is nothing but this is case third. Okay, this is case third, and in this case it is nothing but mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus 1, okay, less than 4, it will be positive. Okay, plus it will also be positive less than 4, that is nothing but x minus 1 plus x plus 1 less than 4. X plus x is nothing but 2x minus 1 plus 1 less than 4. 2x minus 4 less than 0. 2 we can take common, that is nothing but x minus 2 less than 0, that is nothing but x minus 2 less than 0, that is nothing but x less than 2. X less than 2 is nothing but x belongs to minus infinity to 2. So we need to take the intersection of this thing and this thing when x is from 1 to infinity and minus infinity to 2. So x is from belongs to minus infinity to 2 and x belongs to 1 to infinity. So that is we need to take the intersection, both intersection we need to take. So that is nothing but minus infinity 1 2 plus infinity minus infinity to 2, that is this 1 to infinity, that is this is the common part, that is nothing but x belongs to 1 to 2, that is the third case. Okay, now we need to take union of all, that is nothing but take union of first, second, third. Okay, take union of first, second and third. Okay, that is nothing but first case is nothing but x belongs to minus 2 to minus 1. Second case is nothing but x belongs to close interval minus 1 to 1, sorry, minus 1 to 1. Okay, third interval is nothing but x belongs to 1 to 2, x belongs to 1 to 2. Second interval is nothing but second is minus 1 to 1, and first is nothing but minus 2 to minus 1. This is the second one and this is the third one. Okay, 1 to 2. Okay, so now we are going to take the union of all these things, that is nothing but minus infinity to plus infinity, that is nothing but minus 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 2 to minus 1, that is nothing but minus 2 to minus 1, that is nothing but this, that is nothing but minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, 1 to 2, that is nothing but this. Okay, that is nothing but x belongs to open interval minus 1 to minus 2 to 2, and that is our final answer. So according to the options, which one is our answer? That is nothing but minus 2 to 2. A is the correct one. A option is the correct one.